everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is all about my morning routine for summer 2021. I am not an early riser, but I think this is a very productive and practical morning routine, and this is something that allows me to start off the day on a very high vibe and on a very positive note, and that is what I'm going to share with you guys today. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. So usually I wake up between 7:30. I sleep at around 12:30 in the night, so I don't force myself to wake up before that. As soon as I wake up, I go to the washroom, freshen up, brush my teeth, and then I leave the bedroom immediately. So I settle down beside this big window, I open up the curtains, I allow the sunlight to flood in. I think my eyes get adjusted with the sunlight and I don't feel like going back to the bed. Also, I drink a liter water from this copper bottle. So yeah, that's a very healthy start to the day. And I spend the next 10-15 minutes just listening to the birds chirping. I look for any new growth in my plants, any new flower that has bloomed. I sit over here among all my plants. At times I go to the rooftop and watch the sun, the sky, the clouds. I think this just allows me to start off the day very mindfully and helps me to activate all my senses. Next, I go to the kitchen, make myself a glass of warm water. On this day, I had a glass of jeera water, and after that, I do a 15-20 minute of basic stretch and yoga session. So I do my weight training and cardio late in the night, but this 15-minute session is just an amazing start to the day. It helps me to get rid of any soreness or body ache that I have. Especially now, I sit on my chair most of the time and often I wake up with some kind of body pain, and this stretch helps me to get rid of that. It just rejuvenates all the muscle and joints in the body. I feel so refreshed after this session. Do give this a try someday. I'm sure you will also find it helpful. And after that, I play some calm music and do 5 to 10 minutes of breathing exercise. I also try to meditate at times, but I will be very honest, I am not an expert when it comes to meditation. At around 8:15, before hitting the shower, I go to the kitchen to make the breakfast. On this particular day, I decided to make a salad. Due to the summer, most of the days we are having smoothie or salad. Now on this day, I decided to make a chicken salad. I had some shredded boiled chicken in the fridge along with some boiled sweet potato. These meal preps really saved my life and I can prepare my breakfast very quickly. So I assembled the chicken, the sweet potato along with some lettuce for some green. And then for the dressing, I added some honey, some garlic powder, some salt and pepper and lemon juice. It just tastes so amazing. And also I am cutting down on my coffee. So instead of coffee, I decided to have a cup of this Greek yogurt. It's my recent favorite food. I just love it. So once the breakfast is ready, before I have that, I go to the washroom and take a long and relaxing shower. I also do my basic and minimal daytime skincare routine. I will share the details in another video, but I make sure that I apply some sunscreen and then I put on some decent clothes even if I am not going outside, because then I feel I am ready to face the day. And once that's done, I settle down on my table with my bowl of breakfast and my Greek yogurt. And while I enjoy that, I watch one episode of one of my favorite web series. I make sure that it is something very light and positive. Recently, I am re-watching episodes from Big Bang Theory. I know a lot of you don't prefer this, don't think it's a productive habit, but I think it just makes me happy in the morning and I love doing it. And I also go through all the comments that people leave on my YouTube videos, on my Instagram posts. I think the lovely comments just inspire me to work harder and make better content for you guys. And also these days I am trying to reduce my phone usage. So at around this time I take my phone once, check all the emails, the Instagram DMs, the WhatsApp messages, and then I just keep it away and focus on my work. And once I am done with the breakfast, I quickly bring out my planner. I go through the to-do list that I made the previous night, and this way I am sure of all the things that I have to do throughout the day, and there is always a lesser chance of me procrastinating and being lazy. And I'm not into very detailed journaling, but I do bring out this cute little journal and I write down a few lines expressing my gratitude, writing down my affirmations. I think all these small positive things just make me feel better about the whole day and helps me to work better, helps me to stay more focused and more dedicated throughout the day. And with all these things done, before I start my work, I spend the next 40 minutes to 1 hour going through some course or studying something. Recently, I have taken a Skillshare subscription and I am exploring a lot of different courses in this website. From taking care of indoor plants to productivity, there are a huge range of courses and I have selected a lot of interesting courses for myself. Do let me know if you want to know about my top picks. I will create a separate video for that. Recently, I am going through this course by Lily Singh and I think it's very engaging and interesting. And once this study session is done, I leave for my work. My workplace is very near to my home. It's just 10-15 minutes away. But now due to the lockdown, I am stuck at home. So instead, I decided to work on my blog posts. I am planning to do a series of interviews for my blog and the first one is coming up on June. I decided to edit that post. This is going to be a very interesting series. So I will leave a link to my blog in the description box down below. Make sure that you subscribe because a lot of interesting things are coming up in June. So yeah, that is how my morning routine looks like. Do let me know if you find it productive and if you find it relatable. If you have not subscribed yet, please do. I would love to have you as a part of this family. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.